After 3 years living in the Japanese countryside, the appearance of higambana spider lilies always signify the shift into autumn in this part of southern Japan. If you're a new or returning visitor, welcome. I'm Mika, this is Jessie, and Pancake. We're Canadians who moved to the remote countryside of Japan into an Akiya house, one of Japan's many abandoned homes. And here are some things we did to spend the last days of summer in the Japanese countryside. All of the rice planted this May has been harvested. Unfortunately, not everyone experienced a good yield due to the actions of a few unruly members within the countryside. This summer, we experienced unusually intense heat earlier in the season, affecting natural food sources in the mountains. As a result, wild boars ventured closer into the community, squeezing past boar fencing and uprooting some of the rice fields in search of food. Despite the challenges with the rice fields, everyone still managed to get a good amount of rice harvested. As a mini celebration for the harvest, I made one of the local rice dishes from this area, Inaka Chirashizushi. To prepare this simple dish, heat vinegar, sugar, and salt together over low heat. Next, Julienned burdock root and carrots. I also added some young ginger for a little extra zest. Stir fry the vegetables with water and a splash of soy sauce until they soften. Mix the vinegar and rice before adding your vegetables. Finish with a sprinkle of goma sesame seeds. I'll include the full recipe in the description below. If you try this recipe, make a little extra and share with your neighbors back home. And let me know what they think about this Inaka countryside dish if you do. As the typhoon season gradually concludes and the weather begins to cool, it serves as a timely reminder to collect firewood before the onset of autumn's chill. Gathering up firewood has been a surprisingly challenging task while living in the Japanese countryside. Fortunately, this season offers a rare chance to gather our own firewood as road crews clear out overgrown plants and remove fallen trees from recent storms. Once we made sure it wasn't claimed by someone else, we boarded a K-truck and banded together to collect this valuable resource.
Oh God, that's heavy.
bad. As summer draws to a close, we find ourselves wanting to experience every bit of summer's magic while we still can, like enjoying one last swim in the river.
It's starting to cool off. Pancake, you're the only one with a fur coat.
This late summer also brings the season's final festival, a grand event by the river featuring festival food, skewers simmering in rich sauces, refreshing kakikori shaved ice. Of course, a celebration like this concludes with a spectacular fireworks display, a wonderful way to wrap up the festival summer season. Thanks again to all of my supporters and those who have already given us a thumbs up and subscribed. If you're interested in watching an extended cut, no voiceover version of this video, you can watch it and other videos like it on my Patreon. And we'll see you all again next time. Bye!
Why did you want to grab that huge one?
What?
Big one in the top. Hurry up and get it.
They're throwing me under the bus in front of the camera. How can you?
Oh my god.
Okay. You want me to grab one end? No?